my dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel English Stories and Practice. If you are new to my channel, then I'm your storyteller Annie. If you like this video, then don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Today for our story time, we are going to read about an amazing short story. I'm sure you will all like it and will learn a beautiful lesson out of it. So, see the video till the end. The wolf in sheep's clothing. One day, a wolf was roaming in a forest in search of food. He was very hungry. It has been many days since I had a good meal, the wolf thought to himself. As he was wandering here and there, he noticed a sheep's skin lying in one corner of the field. The cunning wolf had an idea. He wore the sheep's skin and joined a flock of sheep which was grazing there. At sunset, when the flock headed home, the wolf went with them too. Now, the sheep whose skin the wolf was wearing was the mother of a little lamb. The lamb mistook the wolf in disguise as his mother, so he followed the wolf innocently. The cunning wolf had noticed this. He quietly led the lamb away from the flock. Once he was away, he killed the lamb and enjoyed a hearty meal. I hope all of you have enjoyed today's story time. Till we meet again with another story, take care and bye-bye.